Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can link your email to your Blum account. Blum is actually asking the Blum miners to link their email account, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. Let me go over to my Blum account right away. Let me open it up. It is very important. It's an important step that you need to take. This is a new task. Let me open it up right away. So guys, can see it right there. You can see what's written there. It said stay secure, enhance security by linking your email for another login option. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on link email. So let me tap on link email. You can see it down there. So what you have to do right here now is to input your email. So let me go ahead now to paste my email address. Let me paste it real quick. Right there guys, can see I've pasted my email. So what I have to do now is to go ahead now to submit it by tapping on submit down there. So let me tap on submit. Now right here is the next step. Can see what's written there. Check your email, confirm email to secure your account. So guys, what you have to do now is to go over to your inbox on your email app to check if you've gotten the email, and if you've not gotten it, then you tap on resend. So what I will do now is to scroll down from the top of my phone to see if the email has come to my phone. Let me scroll down again. So guys, can see it right there. I've gotten an email from Blum. So let me tap on it. Let me open it so you see it clearly. You can see Blum. This is the email. So what I will do now is to tap on it now to open it in my Gmail app. So let me tap on it real quick. Right here is the email. Let me get to read it. You can see what's written there. Link your email to Blum, one click away. Thank you for staying with Blum. Please click the link below to finalize linking your email to your Blum account and continue enjoying all the perks, including easy points tracking. So what I have to do now is to go ahead now to tap on where you can see link email. So let me tap on it. You can see it down there. Let me tap on it. You can see now it's directing us to Telegram. You can see it right here. You can see what's written there. Continue to Telegram. This site wants to open Telegram, so you can tap on continue, or you can tap on where you can see open app down there. You can see where it is written open app. So let me tap on open app right away. But before I do that, in case you don't have the Telegram app in your phone, you can tap on where you can see downloads to download the Telegram app. They can proceed from there. So let me tap on open app. You can see now it's directing us to Telegram. Now my Blum is opening up. Wow guys, can see now we're back to Blum. You can see that notification we saw. Let's just wait a few seconds. It's gonna pop out. Wow guys, can see it here. You are all set. You have successfully linked your email to Blum account. So guys, now this is the notification you're going to get to be sure you've linked your email to your Blum account. You can see it, I've done it. So let me tap on got it down there. Let me tap on it. Wow guys, can see this is how you can be able to link your email to your Blum account, and I believe this was helpful to you. Do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Bye.